Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Krista B. Libao, 27 years old, married. My husband's name is Julius Erwin Libao, 27 years old. We have two children, two girls, ages 8 and 6. I am fourth in the family. I am Roman Catholic. I live in La Union, Philippines. I am high school graduate. I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines for 4 years, year 2019 to 2023. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 5 and 2. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children, cooking food, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing clothes, marketing, garden keeping, and car washing. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and also follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.